Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. I'm just gonna stop right here and tell you guys I absolutely love this unit. I am going for more of the glam type of sexy sultry look, so this one definitely did it for me. You guys know WowAfrican has probably the best types of lace wigs, so I'm going to read the specs for you guys on this unit. Absolutely love it. I'm not going to sell her. She's going to be one of my keeps just because it's a perfect combination unit, and WowAfrican does a great job on that. So this unit is a 13x6 body wave human hair lace wig. This is the style HW03. So the length on this one is 18 inches, which is perfect. I like to get the hair now about 18 or 20 inches just because it's getting hotter. This one is a 13x6 deep parting space. This is the Undetectable HD Lace clean bleach knots. So that's one thing I can say about this company. They really nail it when it comes to the knots. The lace on this unit is transparent AF. Now, like I said, this unit is glueless. So it does come with an adjustable, removable elastic band, and I do have a coupon code, which is DOM15, which I'll leave down here for you guys and down in the description box. So this one, guys, is very, very nice. Now, when I mean glueless, because it does come with that really nice, thick, adjustable strap, I literally only adjusted that and adjusted one hook in the back, and the unit is so nice and flat on my head. Obviously, I did go in with my favorite products, which I'll leave the links down below. I did go ahead and get the big Bubba size this time because I'm telling you guys, I freaking live by these products. I do prefer the red one. The red one is the active use, so if you're someone that's like out sweaty and stuff like that, you can use this. When I was in Aruba, I did bring the small red one with me, and I do notice that it did actually hold really well with the heat. So I would recommend this product. I did go ahead and use the adhesive along with the spray to adhere this unit down. I only used the adhesive for the side tab area right here and just the front perimeter part, just because I wanted it to lay really flat so you guys can see the hairline. Come on now, guys. So the hairline is very pretty, guys. I did go ahead and do a little bit of a swiggle. I'm kind of into the baby hair thing now. Depends. After I got my hair done from the salon, I really, really liked it. So I really like to do that now. So I did do one here. But you guys can see it is flawless AF. I did go ahead and just tweeze it and add a little bit extra just because I wanted to open my wig up as much as possible. But when you first get the unit, guys, it already comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that kind of stuff. So with this company, they sell what I like to call a complete wig. So it comes with all the preparations. You literally just shake and go it out the pack. Obviously, I did go ahead and put curls in this unit. I use my Hot Tools curler. It's a 1-inch curler. Just a little, you know, if you guys don't watch my vlogs, which you should, but I always give you guys the best deals in my vlog. I found this for $16 at TJ Maxx, which was a steal. Well, TJ Marshalls, same thing. So this was $16, guys. When I tell you guys the Hot Tools curlers are the best, if you ever go to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or Marshalls, go to the hair section. They have curling irons and Hot Tools flat irons. Best product ever, and they're always like half of the price or maybe even less than that at that store. So I picked that up. I did do some nice light curls to it. You guys can see the curls last. This unit is a body wave texture, so what do you expect? Obviously, when you go in and curl, it's still gonna have a lot of body. It's still gonna give you a lot of kind of volume. I did go ahead and just cut a little bit of a layer into the front right here just because I love the way the middle part looks. So I wanted to really go ahead and emphasize it by adding a few layers to the front. So this one is really cute, guys. You guys can go ahead and do whatever style you want. I wanted to leave it in the middle part style just because the middle part style is just giving me so many vibes right now. But the unit is, what am I doing? The unit is very pretty, guys. The hairline basically stole the show on this unit. The hair is very soft, guys. I have not received any shedding with this hair whatsoever. No tangling, none of that kind of mess. This, like I said, if you guys are looking for something nice, simple, and glam, this is a type of fresh kind of curled hairstyle, glam hairstyle I like to wear for brunches and stuff like that. It just kind of gives you such a kind of classy, I'm in my 30s type of look. My early 30s, just jumped into it type of look, very sexy and sultry. So this is something I'm definitely gonna wear this summer. Love that it's 18 inches, so it's not too long. It's not really gonna be sitting on my back like that. And the fact that the lace itself is very pretty and unclockable, I can go ahead and do as many hairstyles as I want this summer with this unit. So I wanna go ahead and give WowAfrican a round of applause for this one. This unit is a freaking banger. I will leave the coupon code and all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe. and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.